OTC Decoded. What's the funniest or most memorable thing that's happened to you on a job site?
For years, we worked together with a big Japanese company where we formed a joint venture to build a fairly large chemical facility in Sasolburg. Eventually, the project came off and it was quite successful. But in that process, and a lot of the funny stories are the intercultural stories where you have to deal with German people, Japanese people. Japanese people are absolutely fantastic people. Some of the best humans I've met in my life. And in one of the trips of the Japanese delegation to South Africa, the very senior gentleman, who I thought was very old, which is probably a bit of a cultural misconception, but he was going on a year. He was very tired after this plane trip. We booked him, and I'm not going to say which one, but we booked him into a fairly upper-class hotel in Sandton. And he arrived in the morning absolutely tired from this fairly long flight and the time difference, and just relaxed in his room for the day. And in the afternoon, later in the afternoon, he called the reception of the hotel, which I think in Japan is quite a normal thing, and he asked if they could possibly send him a masseur to come and give him a massage. This, in South Africa, of course, can be interpreted sometimes very differently from how it's interpreted in Japan. And the hotel took their initiative, and they sent him a masseur who had in mind massaging different parts of this gentleman than what he had in mind. Let it be said, we had to calm him down after that. It was almost a huge diplomatic incident. We actually laughed about it again last week and just thought about now, how far did this process go along before he realized there's a problem here?
Funny. At that stage, there were not very many funny things. There were strange things, but not funny things. I think getting people physically in altercations on site in the early years was not uncommon. And then you just had to resolve that conflict. Nowadays, it won't happen anymore.
The funniest or most memorable thing that happened to you on a job site? I can't think of a funny moment, but the most memorable thing, we researched a new separation system at the top of a distillation column. Rather to have a flush drum, we had a liquid separated drum that we realized are going to give much better separation overall in the system, break some azeotropes. So we've done the research. Eventually, they looked at the research, they were happy, and they wanted to install this on the commercial plant. And as I was there busy with the test runs, we just couldn't get this thing to work. And later on, I was asked the operator, you look at the screen and you see the temperature is okay. We had to stabilize the temperature. And all of a sudden, the temperature will have this big peak that all of a sudden it goes in. And then the whole distillation column was upside down. It will take us up to 24 hours to get the temperature stable again. And then we just have the temperature stable that we can say, yes, we know what we are doing. And then we find that peak again. And I asked a lot of troubleshooting that we had to get there. What is going on there? And then the one operator told me he realized it's when that one steam valve is being opened by the operators. They have a routine normally with the previous system. They open the steam valve to get the steam nice and going for the whole system to work. Now, this steam valve in the new system just created havoc. So with the next shift that came up, I asked the operator, please, whatever you do, do not touch that steam valve. We've been 12 hours stable. We are ready to do our tests on the system. Don't touch that valve. And 2 minutes later, I see the peak happening on the screen. And the guy, for some reason, didn't believe me. He went and he tested the valve, and our whole system was up in flames again. That was so memorable, and I've realized you can do whatever engineering you want, no matter how good your plan in your engineering is. If you don't have operators that's with you on the team, it's not going to work.